Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Philips Smart Air Fryer 7000 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to use this air fryer interface on this device. So here we have very simple interface. Here we have LED screen. Here we have our Wi-Fi status. Here we have back button and smart ring. And here, of course, we have the thermometer connector. So we can connect our thermometer, connect it here, as you can see. Cool. So what about the user interface? So here, as you can see, we have the smart ring, and we can rotate it right or left. And in this way, we change in the programs or functions. And to select something, we just need to press on the center of the ring. So, for example, if you wanna use open settings, so just scroll right until you will see settings on your screen and click OK. And cool. But if you wanna go back, you just need to click back button. This is the one touch button, only one touch button on this user interface. We have no touch screen, we have just only one touch button. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.